Good morning, this is Jesse with Nexus Property Management coming to you today out of the Worcester office, and we are at 7 Pope Street in Spencer, Massachusetts. We have a brand new 1-bedroom listing. This is the 3rd floor of a 4-unit building. Starting the tour off in the living room. See, it's got the newer vinyl, kind of gray tone vinyl floors. It's kind of the modern look that everybody's looking for these days. But can definitely fit a good sized couch in here, coffee table, entertainment center with a TV, plenty of space in this room. This is a closet, it's storage space, tons of storage in there. Headed into the kitchen. We got the sink over here, the newer white shaker style cabinets that everybody's looking for, stainless steel stove, fridge, we got a microwave, and once again we have another closet over here. They're kind of just unfinished, they're kind of hard to see them, but definitely tons of storage throughout this unit. We have a microwave, and once again, we're on the 3rd floor. Off-street parking at this unit. This door right here goes to a stairwell, the common area stairwell. However, most tenants use this back door. It's got its own private entrance through that back door. Bathroom, we have a stand-up shower and toilet, pedestal sink. And then headed into the bedroom. Good sized bedroom, could easily fit a king size bed in here. A couple nightstands, dresser. Got the nice windows throughout this unit. It's actually a very, very bright unit. We do have all the lights on, but a lot of natural light throughout this entire apartment. And then we have the closet right over here. Ample storage space once again. For a 1-bedroom unit, there's just an absolute ton of storage throughout the apartment. So once again, this is Jesse with Nexus Property Management out of the Worcester office. We are at 7 Pope Street, unit number 3. If you are interested in this unit, feel free to give us a call at 508-687-3001, and you will want the extension number 3 for the leasing team. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.